Okay, well, good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Happy March 1st. It's the first of the month. End of the week, but the first of the month. So, quite an interesting combination there. How's everyone doing? Who didn't give up on the longs yesterday? And who caught some longs in the afternoon? Pretty crazy. I mean, yeah, I took losses in the morning. Couple losses. Second loss was totally avoidable. Totally my responsibility there. But I had said at the end of the stream, I'm not giving up on the long bias. I will be looking for a 5-minute market structure shift. And I gave also a example from February 14th and pretty much played out to the T. This is the 5-minute market structure shift, and if you were early, you could have actually gotten a really good fill there. On March 14th, I was able to do that, but yesterday afternoon, I wasn't around during this time, so I actually got in here. 5-minute unicorn, breaker block, and fair value gap to the buy side liquidity. There's also a 1-minute entry here. But yeah, not the easiest month for sure. Thankfully, most of my gains have been made from the third week of this month. And thankfully I set aside the accounts so I could take the money out. Right? So make sure you pay yourself because the money's not yours until you withdraw. So pretty happy I did that yesterday. Posted my certificates on Twitter and Instagram. Pretty fun to do that, always. Definitely tag me if you ever get a payout, when you get a payout certificate. But yeah, I mean, I've had pretty good month with MyFunded futures. I made $11K in payouts that I've withdrawn. So today, and because of yesterday, we had 2,000 likes on the stream. So crazy. Thank you all for the support. Today we're giving out 6 MyFunded Future expert accounts, which is the account type that I use. And we're going to do that towards the end of the stream. So hit that like button. But also as a surprise, which all month your expert accounts have not been on sale. And they're not going to be on sale next month either. But during the stream today, until March 3rd, 11:59, if you use code Tanya20 on their website, you will get 20% off their expert accounts. So I think that's pretty cool because I've had success with it. They were like, yeah, we'll give you a sale. No one else has a sale right now, so that's lit. So if you come to my stream, there's some surprises. And so since they're obviously sponsoring this stream, so I have to go over a couple of things. Like if people are asking, what's the difference between their expert accounts and the starter accounts, which also is on sale, been on sale all month. And it ends on Monday, same thing at 11:59. So I'll just briefly go over that. So this is their starter accounts. There's no activation fee. Right? So if you use code Tanya Trades, you'll always get the best discount. But essentially, like for 50K, it's $90 all inclusive, no activation fee for their starter accounts. And what's the difference is that, okay, if you're their starter accounts are pretty much for 90% of traders, right? Because they have pretty good profit target, right? Pretty much the same as other people in the industry. And there's a couple of rules, right, for this. Like there is a consistency rule and there is scaling after you get funded. So it's pretty similar to other firms. So the difference really is that right now they're pretty cheap, right? There's no activation fee. And so all inclusive, this is all the price, including the eval and activation fee, because typically it's a $149 activation fee, but until March 3rd, there will not be, right? The one I personally use is for more experienced traders. And if you're paying a little bit more because no consistency, no scaling, in the expert accounts, but because it's for more experienced people, there is a higher profit target. So this is the flash sale. You can use 3 times per customer on the expert plan. It's the one I use. Why? Because there's no consistency rules. There's no cap on payouts, essentially, after you get over the buffer, right? So you can have a big day. Like I made $15K between 2 accounts one day. And then I was basically just chilling in those accounts and waiting 14 calendar days, right? And that's how I've kind of been able to be more successful, pretty successful with this firm, because I've just like been, it's like no pressure to make a certain amount of trading days, right? Because it's 14 calendar days. So that's going to go on until March 3rd, 11:59. And yeah, they don't really do discounts on expert plans. So check them out if you want to. I enjoy them. I like their dashboard. Tells you, it's kind of like a trading journal dashboard as well. But yeah, who didn't give up on the longs? I forgot. Let me see. Dilly asked the poll. Engage with the audience. Woo! Who caught longs in the afternoon yesterday? Yes, it's all, both of them are 1 day pass. Like if you reach the profit target in 1 day, like you're chilling. You pass. You get the fund the next day. For both starter and expert. Who caught? Not an easy day yesterday. I think I could, definitely improve on maybe filtering some trades, but in the morning. I'm thinking more and more about how to increase my win rate, because, my risk ratio is really, really good. My risk reward. Like I literally have 3 to 1, which is good. I mean, and my win rate's around 45%, 49. And I think I could definitely do really, really good if I just filter a couple of circumstances that I will write out. Okay, if we hit buy side and I didn't catch the reversal to internal, then okay, I have to wait at least an hour into the session, and also demand if I'm going for the other reversal, right? Because at that point you had 2 different large moves. Then maybe I should demand the 5-minute market maker buy model here, especially if it comes into an hourly point of interest, because you're never sure how deep it will retrace, right? But other than that, I'm fine with taking a loss that I would take if it's my model, just as long as I don't, continue to wreck myself. But like I said, I've been kind of complaining about this. We hit all-time highs here during London. So I'm really just should I just trade in London now? Because we hit the all-time highs and we had our TGIF set up already, right? It hit the buy side, my last buy side target, which was last week's high, all-time highs, and then it also retraced. I'm sure it did retrace to 20 to 30% of the weekly range, right? So, not too sure what to look for now. You could potentially look for more reversals, but if this is a start of a sell model, but not really for me. I should have to break 50% of the range. So, right, so I'm just going to see, did we retrace to weekly retrace? Yeah, so we did retrace to 30% of the range already. So this is pretty much the whole weekly range, right? Or do we? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, it had the reversal during London. Interesting. All from Thursday into Like this, just the whole weekly range happened in 24 hours. Let's check out the comments. I wouldn't go for, someone says second distribution sell model. That would have to break 50% for it to, like, this is still the first distribution happening. Like, if this is sell model, this would be the first distribution, right? On the hourly. Okay, so let's check out ES as well. Let's do the poll. Okay, so most people did not trade the afternoon. Targets hit taking off today. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Why would you pay monthly instead of just buying standard account MyFunded FX? Because that's Forex and different. It's not futures. Be safe, enjoy your weekend. Thank you. Have a good weekend. So, what we're gonna do is tape read this, right? Because London loves to take away my trades. You guys, should I start waking up during London? No sleep. I actually go to sleep really late, so it would be like no sleep. Can you trade NQ as a European? Yeah, as long as your country's not banned. There are some banned countries, so check out their FAQ. Is my country eligible? It's too late for the poll at open. It's 9:30, so let's check it out. Likely goes up again, yeah. ES didn't hit previous week high, so we can maybe look at that. But, yeah, I don't like to play the sicker one, the slower one. Especially ES. ES is so thin on the 1 minute recently, right? So, like, I just need one more day of $200 to request from TopStep a payout. But like I said, it's like I'm not gonna rush myself because it's not the, like I said, my targets are hit. It's not the best conditions here. The screen's not loading, so maybe you do that. Yeah. If you have ES also, I don't know why that's not right. I'm just gonna disconnect my connections, reconnect them on Ninja. Welcome to the show. Okay, so NQ a lot stronger. Hit our all-time highs during London session. dropped off. It didn't break 50% of this range, so it's reaching up again. So, like I said, it was not a sell model. It wasn't confirmed to be one. Don't they have gold? Yeah, there's NQ, there's gold, there's crude oil. You can also trade currency futures. Oh yeah, let me put out a little Google form for those that are interested. We're going to do a webinar on how to get started in futures. For those that are interested in learning more about it, Intro to Futures webinar. I'm going to put out a Google interest form. If you want to attend, then I'll give you an email with the details. We're going to do it on Sunday. Should be like 6 p.m. This Sunday. Okay, here we go, finally. The correct chart. Let me make sure that it's fine on OBS. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's just mooning. Moon at open, straight up. Let's check out the chat since like let's check out London high. Mark out London high. We have news, moderate news at 10, I believe. We'll be giving out the MyFunded Futures account towards the end of the stream to reward the viewers, to reward the supporters. I know that some of you guys I've noticed, like, been here since the beginning. Pretty crazy. I only started streaming end of December. Like the 3rd week of December, or whatever that week was right before Christmas. And I took Christmas to New Year's off because, holidays and not really much action during that week. And then pretty much been streaming almost every day. And this channel is really blown up, so I appreciate everyone's support. ICT support, the ICT community support. Really awesome. I had 4,000 subscribers when I started streaming, and now I have 40,000. Oh, that takes a second to take in. So thank you, everybody. Appreciate you guys. And to give back, we're going to be giving out 6 MyFunded Futures expert accounts. I really like these because there's no activation fee, no consistency, and no scaling. That's the one I use. And if you're interested, there's the flash sale going on right now. Only with my code, during this stream, Tanya20 for 20% off their expert accounts. You can check the pinned message there. How to enter? I'm gonna put the Google form out towards the end of the silver bullet hour, so towards 10:45ish. But right now I'm gonna put out a Google form for. Oh my god! I only put in Google. A webinar, free webinar that I'm hosting this Sunday. So if you're interested in attending, just send your email in the Google form I'm about to release. So that's not the giveaway one, it's just the webinar. But okay, so what happened right now? We just mooned, right? Breakout traders, whatever. Hit the previous all-time high. Dropped lower. Right, 930, didn't really take any liquidity here. This is pretty messy. Definitely don't trust the 930 low to hold. Let's actually see if there's it's gonna be like wreckage, just up and then down to here. Did it invert this? There's some liquidity here. Yes, actually already broke the 930 low. Pretty interesting. Did we take any like 15-minute? Not really. This is a failure swing. So we didn't really take any 15-minute liquidity or hourly. There was like an hourly fair value gap. We're kind of in this hourly is not over. So the wicks can totally do the damage and like reach all the way up here and still close within this hourly fair value gap. We'll have to find out and see. And then that will also give us some sort of sentiment. So far that's being bought up. For now. We'll see. It's still not like a strong push up really. Let's watch the 30-second here. Okay, holding up there. We'll see. Does it break here? ES is going lower right now, so that's... ES is already below here, so we'll see if NQ catches up. I would think yes. See if this closes below. Likely just goes lower from here. Maybe I'll scalp it. Check it out. Scalp on my Express Funded. This is a 30-second. If it comes back above this, then I'll just exit it real quick. But I think it can go from here. 930 low. I'm just like risking like 10 points. Essentially. If it closes above that, I'm just gonna get out, but this is a 30-second. Nope. Alright, stop there. My Express Funded account took a loss there, 300. Oh well, kind of rushed into that trade because I wanted $200. First name, email. Yeah, that's whack. ES is lower. Alright, that's probably gonna be just my one and done for the day. Send via email, send link. Yep, alright, good for my stop out, honestly. Okay, this is the, oh, news at 10. Yeah, thanks everyone, but oh well. News at 10, we'll see then. Forgot about that. $9.43. We'll see if ES would have been like the better trade there. I wonder. I haven't traded ES in a while. Like ES right here. Inverted this. There's some sell side. It's the weaker one. DXY is pushing up. So I get for taking the erratic sister. Risking we'll watch it. 10 o'clock is here. I think it's tiny as well. You guys can hear that? It was just my leg hitting my desk. I'm sorry. I'll stop. Interesting. Look at it's like rejecting that. And NQ is pushing lower again. It's just flat on the day right now. Where's our RTH gap right here? Gap up. Yeah. So ES looks like a better short there. And now NQ is going lower. That's alright. It's just gonna happen. Still have the chance to get in short ES, honestly. I do. Right here is sell side. The NQ did way more damage than ES there, so that was my fault. I should have gone with the weaker one. Totally my fault there. Like, it stopped me, and then we'll see. 930 low was my target there, but that's okay. That's what I get for Russian. I'm not Russian, so I don't know why I'm Russian. Something my band teacher would say is like, why are you Russian? When I was like in middle school, you know. This is the hourly, you know. Look at that. The wick's doing that damage above. I kind of like that it made an equal low here now. Or almost an equal low here. It's very sloppy, it is. I think I will try one more time though. For NQ to reach this low. If I get stopped out another time, like, I'll just stop for the day. Because it could just be chop. Let's see. Really not getting the best fills today either. I'll admit to that. I could have been up like already, like 3 points had I gotten a better fill. So we'll see. Oh, yeah, we have news at 10. People are probably gonna be like, Tanya, we have news at 10. Yeah, that's okay. It's moderate news, right? Let's see. It's not really the great conditions for this, so I don't really recommend following me. I don't even recommend following me ever, actually, so. DXY is pushing up, and YM is the weakest sister. So we'll see. Seven minutes left in this hourly candle. So that's what I'm thinking, is it's not going to close above it. The fair value gap, which is here. If it does, then, you know, any kind of like the shorts I'll have to reconsider. Definitely could have gotten better entries though. But like I said, I kind of expect myself not to perform the best in the next few streams, etc., because like it's just a new territory for me. Having more people watching, which is fine. Now I'd like this candle to start going lower. Since these bodies have been respecting. Okay, how many minutes left? This is in the 950 macro, so it would be great to, you know, leak lower during 950 to 1010. but, you know, can't get what you want. Yes, still was the better short. I've been in this now for like, this didn't go lower. It's not looking good. Let's see how this, the candle is still respecting this, but, you know, high resistance liquidity run conditions. It's just reaching up higher. There's 30 seconds left in that candle. Still respecting this. Okay, ES is chugging lower. YM is chugging lower. NQ is holding up. For now. We'll see if it starts to leak lower now. From the other contract, I will just like press buy bid as it hits here. Because I think it could like just leak lower. We'll see. 30 seconds left in this candle. Failed bull flag would be great. ES is below this. NQ not yet. So, really not great conditions. Taking a long time. Perhaps we will wait until 10 o'clock. I have to make sure that that's moderate news and not like high impact. Well, even so, like you can hold through high impact news. If it's like the 10 a.m. one. It is high impact news. Ooh. I'll wait like literally 9:59 and then I'll peel off one contract if it's not like by the near the target yet. You know what I'm saying? To reduce risk. Yeah, this kind of drop is kind of like insane right now. Been holding this now for 8 minutes, hasn't moved anywhere. And DXY is going higher. It's just like all these conditions are awful. So we'll see if this candle closes above, then I'll cut one of them. Probably both before high impact news. Like I'll have to take it off. $17, $16, $15, $14, $13. $7, $6, $5. Well, actually, I'll take one off. What was I doing? Short, so I have to. Yeah, just taking one off because it's just not that great. There is that, right? Because we inverted this. Sure. Like, but, you know, it's not looking good. So I'll get stopped out at equal highs, which is not really also good to be shorting equal highs, but if it happens, right? And that is also previous all-time high. It's gonna be kind of epic to do that. That happens. It's really not looking great there. Let me see, is it doing this? Yeah, it's alright, I guess. It's alright, I'll keep it. Keep it for now. It's like more for entertainment purposes, really, than anything else. You have news in 1 minute, you guys. Oh my god. Destroyed. Thank god I put a stop. But did I get destroyed though? Where would I get filled there? Okay, I got filled not that much past that, so. But I did get, you know, that's the danger holding through that. That's okay. Wicked through. Alright, still gonna look for a reversal though. London high got taken. Peak entertainment there. Let's see that. Peak entertainment there. I'm actually okay with that. Somebody call 911. Shawty's fire burning on the dance floor. Okay. No, be serious. Yo, so literally just like, yeah, took all the stops, including mine. I did say don't do that. It's equal highs into high pack news, so don't do that, people. I don't know. Right now, it can do whatever it wants to. It just freaking shot up. ES has last week's high still. So I'll continue to watch. But for now, yeah, no shorting. The hourly I thought would close below. It did not. No shorting. Back above all-time highs again. Friday continuation. Friday continuation is possible. It didn't really hold. It didn't really go below 930. Low. For a while. Now we have 10 o'clock, taking out the highs. So Thursday expansion, Friday continuation. It's possible. ES. Yeah, I think, you know, that's kind of like a really good example of looking to just make $200 and then like losing because you were pushing for it. So it's okay. The hell, that wick was really crazy. Look at that wick. Is like even on the freaking 30-second, it's a wick. Fine. Keep watching. Keep watching. 4,200 people. Welcome. We will be giving away 6 MyFunded Future Expert accounts on the stream in about maybe like towards the end of Silver Bullet. So, prime example, don't do this, people. Good thing ICT left. I mean, that's also probably why. I was more like, I could do some entertainment today. It's my stream. You can do some entertainment / a little sloppier trading also, just totally my responsibility. Wrecked. Let's get something good on stream. But that also puts like some expectation, right? What did I want to say? We took London high. I mean, we just took all-time highs again. It gave clues, and at least I took one off here. At least I did. Should have taken the other one off, probably. But some lessons are expensive. Some lessons are expensive, people. And I will continue to make mistakes. Okay. I don't know. There's no indication to go short yet, for sure. And took some like session liquidity. Like I'll wait for legit like a 5-minute shift if I'm gonna go short. Took this session liquidity. Like, you know, it could very well be like another up day. So like ES still has the previous week high. Just sucks that like DXY is just like not correlated recently, right? If I'd taken the trade on YM, would have been fine. ES probably would have been fine actually, right? No, not ES. So yeah, no shorts. No more shorts for Tanya today. I mean, unless we do like a more obvious break of like a low with a fair value gap aligned with it, or a 5-minute break. Other than that, like it's looking really bullish, right? So we had the break, tracement. Where did my water go? Oh, here it is. So, ugly week on stream for me, honestly. At least, At least I didn't keep trying to short that, like the wick or something, so. At the very least, not really much there. But, alright. Not da 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 ba ba da da da. Actually, I should have literally at the end of the 59 candle. It's literally when news starts. You look at that like volume balance. So da 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 da. I don't want to say. Okay, we're gonna do. Oh yeah, so this is the first step to the giveaway. The step one, hopefully we don't crash their website. We did twice. Step one, make an account. You have to have an account with MyFunded Futures. I'm gonna be asking you what your email is with their account. All right, still going higher, all-time highs, and pushing higher. So thank God I didn't short that again or anything. Pushed up again. You guys think like Captain backtest model is viable today? I think so. We have ES still going for a previous week high. So I'll just like wait, perhaps for some sort of retracement on the 5. Okay, so step one of the giveaway is you have to have a account. It's for free. Make an account on their website. Let me know if their website is crashed or something. Tanya Trades, is there any way to verify the account via email except for mobile? No idea. Is there any way to verify account with email instead of mobile? Okay, so I tried 2 trades. Both were losers. Now, kind of given up on the whole short idea for sure. For now, unless like you break a 5-minute low, which is like probably not going to happen, right? It's like the 9:30 low. Likely going to go continue higher. We broke the high. There's not really a retracement to yet, so we'll see on the 5. Maybe on ES. But ES is the weaker one, right? I'm gonna just go on the stronger ones in this case, so NASDAQ. Okay, yeah. So, okay, yeah, it's highlighted the step 1 of the giveaway. What I like about their expert accounts, there's no activation fee and there's no consistency. So you know, you could have a big day and then we just wait for a withdrawal because it's 14 calendar days. It's kind of like the Forex firms, right? And then work on your other accounts. Like I'm working on Top Step right now. I'm not going to get the Top Step payout anytime soon, probably. I'm not going to rush it like I did just now. I lost like $1,200 on stream just now. Kind of prime example right there, right? Like I was like, oh, I just need one more trading day of more than $200, and then kind of pushed for it too much, even thinking it was a scalp, and then I held on too long, right? There were clues. The fact that I didn't move for like 7 minutes. Ooh, sorry. Anyway, London high. Let's take in new all-time highs. I legit got stopped out, I guess, at like right here-ish. So not the worst. Not the worst. I did get wrecked on that wick because, like, if that's that is the risk of high impact news and holding through it. It's that like the push up, you're not gonna get like filled right at your mental game reminder. You're not gonna like get filled at your stop. Like it's gonna go past your stop. Just like why we don't really play CPI or FOMC or what's the other one, NFP, because that's just gonna go like 100 points past your stop. Like this one actually went like probably like 6 points past my stop. Yeah, 6 points past my stop, but like if it were like CPI, would have been like 30 points or more. I think I was watching a prop firm talk, and they were like, yeah, they had like a max drawdown of 3,000 per day, and there are some people that like played CPI, and instead of the max drawdown like getting hit at 3,000 where their stops were, they were negative 30,000 on the day. It was like insane. Okay, so is the website working? Okay, so, right, it's the person who asked, like, if you can authenticate via email. Apparently, if after you enter a number twice, if you have an issue twice, then you can do an email instead. One of my friends just texted me with a fake Instagram account using my face and my name, so kind of funny. He said, I got a Spanish Tanya following me. So please do not fall for any scams on Twitter or Instagram, because I will never ask you for money. This is free. This is free, so it doesn't make sense for me to ask anybody for money. Anyway, let's watch Yes here. It really does look like it's like a trend day where we will not spend the open, right? It's not spending a lot of time below it. And then it's pushing up after 10. And likely ends the day near the highs then. It's tough to do that near all-time highs. It is. Oh, the 15 is a lot cleaner. Oh shit, that's nice. The 15 is a lot cleaner. We'll see where this 15-minute candle closes. So ugly. What am I trying to do? Fib. Yeah, I'll wait for the 5-minute, like where it takes out a low at least. Yeah. I definitely am a little bit more distracted when I do giveaways, but like, I gotta give back. Hasn't been an easy week at all. I mean, for some people it has, so congrats if you have. I'm sure there's always differing opinions, right? So someone's gonna probably say it's been so easy. But you know, I think I've seen ICT do some poll. It's like the move up, the leg up. It's 50% of it. It's a 15-minute fair value gap here that broke the high. 50% of it. I mean, if we continue, you know, higher, let's see what happens, essentially. Bom bom. I'll have to wait for something, you know, some kind of indication. Such a large range. The first trade I did is like my entry. The first trade I did with my entry was like a momentum trader's entry. It was not like a ICT entry or anything. So, because I was just trying to scalp real quick, and like I said, I'm not a scalper a few times, and that's what happens. It's okay. See you on 5. I will try the captain backtest model. But that's not an ICT model, just saying. It's like it's like a model about us taking out the high of the day, or the 6 to 10 a.m. High to indicate a willingness to continue in that direction. And it is a Friday, where we had Wednesday low of the week, or was it Thursday I think it was Thursday during London. Consolidation, midweek reversal. What do you guys think? Okay, so at the... What was I trying to say? Okay. Yeah, if you're interested in the Intro to Futures webinar and how these prop firms work and how to calculate ticks and points, etc., then let me know. Did I send it in? I already forgot. Retracing. Okay, that's 15-minute. It's not finished yet, by the way. So this is likely the 15-minute fair value gap here. So what I'm looking for is like okay, so I took out that. Now I'm going to look for 5-minute candle break above a previous candle, essentially, right? Let me think right now. What was I doing? Okay. ES is stronger here. No, that's on the 5. To put it on the 5. Actually, the 3 works okay-ish. No, that didn't close above it yet. Somebody asked, wait, I have to watch this. ES is a lot stronger here. Look at ES here. It's like reaching for the previous week high. So actually now ES has turned out to be stronger. Let me see. Stream. Okay, any questions? Okay, so somebody asked Tanya, can you show your P&L from February? Yeah. So I will show on MyFunded Futures their dashboard how it looks like and everything. So sure. It's not an easy February. I'll show it on my main one, my main account, which is the one I just took a second payout from. Right here. Let me see, OBS. Not showing it correctly. It's totally fine. Okay. This is my main account that I had the longest since like January 17th. Profit above the buffer was this much. You just saw I took out, like, I've requested $37.50, so that's actually not taken out because it says current equity. So that's nice because after you request a payout, they subtract it already. Sort of the equity curve here. Took a payout February 14th, so that's that. And then that's since then. So trading had this account for 44 days. You guys can see this, right? Okay. February. So not the easiest one. This is where I I already secured a second payout and I kind of put it aside. So I didn't really trade these days on this account. So how many red days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's not really the best percentage. This day I overtraded. Like, this was a sloppy day. I overtraded in the afternoon. I was looking for the shorts on Wednesday. And then I kept getting like stopped. I like break even off the stream. This day was very mega tilt. But yeah. Not the cleanest February. Most of my winners were from the third week, which is counted from the Friday. So if it starts on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, if the month starts like that, count it like this. Right? Actually, today's Friday and it's not. Yeah, so you don't count it the third week, like starting from Monday, but from the Friday, because that's when OPEX is. Which is options expiry week, the third Friday of the month. It's typically the cleanest one. You can backtest it. My friend Kit told me about that. So that's what their dashboard looks like. They also give you some other stats. Where'd it go? I have OBS up. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I have to put it in again. It's actually coming back where I thought. So I'm gonna be watching price for a little bit more, but so it also gives you like performance. So all of my, like we saw, I get stopped out within like the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes, mostly. So that's a good thing. I cut my losers quick. So it's like quick, painless, and I hold on to my winners faster. I don't know what this one was. Oh, this was like one time I tried to play Asia and I got stopped out overnight when I went to bed. Trade count by duration. Most of my trades are 10 to 30. Yeah. Anyway, I think I have to watch price right now. It's my point of interest. 1 second. On the 15-minute, where's the fair value gap? This is the 15-minute fair value gap now. Okay. Let's see. So if I'm waiting for confirmation on this model, then I'd have to wait until a green candle takes out a previous candle's high. So not yet by any means. We can definitely hit here. So I'm not just going to like buy in here. Especially like we didn't really do any manipulation. So it's totally, so this model is sort of like the opposite of silver bullet if you think it's a trending day. The issue is, you know, we don't have a higher time frame target right now, except for ES. We do. So maybe I'll check out ES. I don't know. Did ES take out, did this one take out London? That 5 minute? Yeah. Okay. I'll be watching ES as well on the 5. How many people are here? Okay. 3,500. Tanya, okay, 1 second. I will have to like, there's a lot of people, things loading. Why is it spamming so much? Okay, is people done with step 1 of the giveaway? I don't know why I always do this to myself. It's kind of funny. But it's okay. You guys will watch my growth. It's like, yo, that was not even your model. You just wanted to scalp it, and then you held too long. OB bounce. But I'm not gonna just go in long like that. Phone verification not working, so try it a second time and then put in the email. SMS just resolved it. It should work for Okay, I'm gonna get like one of the customer help people in the chat to help you guys as I'm trading. We're still looking for a trade here. Is it working now? That's good. Please advise how to detect that you are on tilt. Keep doing the same thing again and again and cannot get out of it. It's like a blackout. How to... I feel like it's personal for everybody. And the way I do it is like after the stream, after I take a loss, well, after I make a mistake, you know, you can take a loss and not have a mistake. However, that was not me this week. I could have been like way better. So after you make a mistake, to write like what happened, what was the trigger, I'm still looking for trades, so it's hard to multitask. I recommend the book Mental Game of Trading, Jared Tendler, and he has free worksheets on his website that I'm talking about, right? Let me think. The trigger, what happened, what were your thoughts? Right, because like it kind of starts as a thought. It doesn't start as an action. So the earlier you can detect it, the better. So you have to take notes on yourself. Like for me, I am impulsive. That's like my issue. Because if I get stopped out of a trade, that was like, it went to my full stop. and then I see it trading away from it again, kind of like what happened today. Very impulsive to get back into the trade. It's a little harder to deal with. But essentially what I have to do is kind of imagine that happening and be prepared to like take my hand off the mouse for a little bit. And I haven't resolved that actually, so. You have to know, there are some deeper issues. Is it because of desperation? You know? Is it because of desperation? Then that's a deeper issue. But if it's just like other issues like anger, I feel like that's an easier issue. Guys, I had nothing confirmed yet here. So, people ready for the step 1 of the giveaway? They're ready for the step 2? Or nah? Where do you have to sign up? You have to sign up on the pinned comment. But I will definitely like, I have to compile my data onto TradeZella. It is kind of funny though, like, so people, 90% of people are really nice actually, so never mind. But this week was bad, I'll go over it, honestly. A lot of things to do though. I have to do the webinar, I have to do risk management, because even though like today I probably took a bigger loss than usual, but like even so, like I can withstand that because of the risk management. Let's see. Okay, looking like a good close here. I just don't, I'm not like the biggest fan of like those sibbies, but I can like anticipate that that's going to be inverted. Okay, so here's the idea for that. We'll see. It is decent. Two more minutes, we'll see how this candle closes. We're holding above all-time highs. I'll watch ES actually. I'm watching ES as well. Maybe ES is the move. It's a lot stronger. It has still an objective to get to. Okay, so ES just confirmed that here. So we'll see. If it breaks above that, I'm just gonna go get in. Yeah. That's the captain backtest model entry. I have to just get in there. My stop is 6 points. Or 5 points. So we shouldn't come back below this now. Let's look to go for a previous week high. NQ is now catching up. Okay, so I'm gonna have my stop in. Let me think for a moment. This is on the thought that today we're gonna have a trend day, and also we have more buy side to go for. Add alert crossing up. Okay, people, if you want to sign up for the giveaway, it's in the it is in the pinned section. Pinned comment. So that's the first step, and I'll release the second step very soon. So I'm in the ES long. If it comes back and it takes me out, then I'm like legit just done for the day. But this is like a trend day model. It's not like I have a video on it. It's like how to catch trend days. If this works, we'll check it out. We'll see. Should work out. If it doesn't, then I'm really over today. Okay, let me make... Yeah, that's just wrong, so let me put on the... That's wrong. I think I have to get the newer version of that. I essentially I waited for a retracement, opposing close candle. I also took out a low. I waited for a 5-minute break above the previous, and then I got long at that high. Like it's a, how would I say? Like it's a specific entry. Okay, so one last time, if you're interested in the futures webinar, you can sign up there. In the meantime, the pinned comment is to sign up for the giveaway, and I'm going to be releasing the form to sign up in one moment. See how we reacted previous week high. I'm happy that I took ES, not NQ, at the least. It is a lot it is stronger. Okay, so okay. MyFunded futures times Tanya. I'm going to see how it reacts to the previous week high. I would like it to close above it, then I'll hold for longer. Because the idea is like that it just keeps going all day. So at the least I'll take one partial, but I will hold the rest. Like, okay. The shout out to the people that told me to wait until 10. I would have saved some money. First name, YouTube name, because you must be a subscriber, and email you used to sign up for my futures. Okay. Okay, so the people that are ready for the next step, I'll be sending the Google form out right now. You must be subscribed. I do check the winners if they're subscribed at the end of the stream. Please only do one entry or else you'll be disqualified. And you must be subscribed or else you'll be disqualified. Okay, this is step 2. Sending it out. It says looks like black pig pattern. What pattern is that? Alright, so been in profit for a little bit. Of course, like it would have been smarter to there was no like fair value gap on the one for me to get involved here. There was here. Okay, let's see ES hit previous week high. Oh, I didn't show. I was showing. I still have ES here. Okay. It's okay to be wrong, it's just not okay to stay wrong, you know? Mine's up with that. Okay. Previous week high getting hit here. 5 handles are handled. I have to take just one partial. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Honestly, it would be really good for the 15 to close above it. So 2 more minutes until the 15 and the 5 close. So far it's like taking its time, so it's not really that amazing. Like I would have liked it to be way more legit. So not that interesting. See, 2 more minutes. Yeah. What time is it? 11 almost? I put an OCO order, so that freaking... It's annoying. Not a great look there. See, 1 more minute. But like, it's probably not going to do that. I'm gonna probably not gonna come out all the way back up there. We'll see. Yeah, in 1 minute. Likely like comes lower again. One more minute left. What's this candle gonna do? It's probably gonna doji. $12 seconds. That's gonna determine whether or not like I hold for more. Nothing that remarkable. Where's my stop would be like there. closed above this one though. I'm just gonna, because it closed above the previous one. I will hold my other contract, I will. Just have to figure out where did 3 PD arrays fail here. Yeah, 14.5 is decent. Okay. So for this one, because it has the potential to go to like 20 points, honestly, let me see. How much did we move today so far? I'm going to get into the giveaway in a minute, but I have to figure out the trade management here. Okay. How many points did we move so far today? From here, what's the daily look like? Previous week high. The daily. Previous week high. This. I want to do ATR. Oh yeah, let me put the second Google form in first. And I will now release the, pin that as well. Okay, it was a good decision to hold, for now. So this has the potential to like, wipe out my mistakes from earlier with my runner. Maybe I'll continue streaming. Okay, let me put the form up. First name, YouTube name, and email used to sign up for MyFunded futures. Move stop loss up, people are saying. Yeah, I'll start the giveaway once there's say 2,000 likes. There's 3,300 people here. Boo! Okay. Hey, didn't stay wrong. Got into the longs, so. So, what? Never give up, people. What did I want to say? Still could have done better, but it's okay. I'm working on it. Can't be like perfect every day. However, yeah, so MyFunded Futures is sponsoring this, giving away 6 expert accounts, 3 50K expert accounts, 2 100K expert accounts, and 1 150K expert account. And, just for this stream, if you want to buy an expert account, I have a 20% off code. If you use code Tanya20, it's a flash sale until Monday at 11:59. That's the expert accounts that I choose, or the ones that I use. The reason why is because there's no consistency rule. There's no scaling rules. There's no like minimum trading day rules. So like, I like it. Thank you for someone who's complimenting me. Never back down, never give up. Yeah. So I have to figure out some standard deviation projections. That's what happens when we're at all-time highs. Yeah, we could potentially, from the London manipulation, go to here. I think it's a pretty good case study today. You know, a little bit definitely sloppy trading, but then also flipping the script, flipping the bias, understanding when I'm wrong, and not being afraid to try again. So if this goes to here, then I'll secure like 16 points. That's 16 times 50. Okay, 800. From the Captain backtest model, typically it does move like 20. Oh yeah, I wanted to do the ATR, average true range. How many points did we move yesterday, you guys? We moved on ES from the low to the high, right? I would probably look at that. Low to the high is like 54 points. And here, the low is 89, and the high right now is 27. That's 38 points. Okay. So it can definitely go up higher if we're having a continuation day. I'll check at like 12:15, probably to look to take profit. A really nice green candle above previous week high here on the 15. Okay, so the pinned comment is how to enter the giveaway. It's 11:08. We're going a little bit longer because I'm still in a trade. Yeah, just gotta adapt. Pretty happy. I decided to hold. Is that ES or NQ? I'm in ES right now. I tried ES because it still had like previous week high to go for. And it was stronger on the 5. Great execution, by the way. What are your fib settings? I have several different ones, but like this is my main one. It's the main one. You guys can. Do you see it? Yeah. You hear my cat? He's like yelling. Okay, screenshot that. And then for weekly retrace for TJF, this is it. Just like 20 to 30%. And then I also have just like 0 to 5, 50%. And then just like every 20, like when I want to do quadrants. I'm like debating whether to even just hold this all day because we had we have the indication of a trend day. I'll put a alert here for sure. I also don't want to be greedy, right? Okay, so who's ready for the giveaway? Let's see how many people have responded. $1,269 people. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, so MyFunded Futures is sponsoring this giveaway. We're giving out expert accounts, so there's no activation fee when you get an expert account. If you're interested in getting one of them, then this is the flash sale promo. They haven't done an expert sale all month, and I don't think they're going to do it next month either. So this is valid until end of day on Monday. No consistency rules, no scaling, and really good withdrawal options. Like there's not really there's no cap on withdrawals, so that's what I like about it. Okay, and then also until March 3rd, 11:59, if you're interested in the starter accounts, which is for most people, if you're starting out in the prop firm industry, you don't want to spend a lot of money. This is all inclusive, like pretty much the cheapest in the industry right now, because it's no activation fee, and that's valid until March 3rd, 11:59. If you use code Tanya Trades, it gives you the best discount. However, what else do I want to say? Yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say, and now we can get started on the giveaway. I am thinking about just like trailing a stop. It's tough, but it's like I don't want to get stopped. I don't want this to turn red in a way. But it did close above previous weekly high. Let's see this 2-minute before I get started on the giveaway. I'll put the link in. Send. Shorten URL. Copy. It's like, it's this low. Yeah, we shouldn't come back. Be nice for this to be a strong candle close above this one. We have 53 seconds left. NQ is closing above it. I'm probably going to just stick to the model, which is to wait until 12:15 to move a stop. It's going to be tricky. Very tricky. But we closed above the high with 5-minute fair value gap. That's actually nice. Let's see, 15 seconds, 12 seconds. It's not the greatest close here for this 15-minute candle on the ES. But this is like filling this imbalance. It's holding above. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm not gonna get worried about like just one black candle. But I will trail my stop a bit. Not just like to break even, but like somewhere where way too many PD arrays would be violated. Yeah. So then if I like get stopped out, I'll just lose 1 point on this. Okay. That makes sense. It also lines up with the bottom of this order block. Okay. So closed above it on the 5, made a fair value gap. It looks still good for higher. Can't get too scared on like the first down close candle. Okay. One last chance right here. Last chance, last call for these to enter, and then I will literally do it in like 2 minutes. You have 2 more minutes. It's pinned in the chat. 2 more minutes. I'll put an alert once we break hive day again. Shout out to the person who said like never give up, never back down. Definitely lifted my spirits a little bit. Although I'm typically serious, it doesn't mean that I'm solemn. We're using vocabulary. Okay. Let us commence. Can you help me to crash the market? No. Oh, Stefan, thank you. It was obviously looks like trend day, but was the confirmation. Okay, so I have a video on that. It's called like how to catch trend days. And it's the captain backtest strategy. But what I also used to help me was the idea that we didn't spend a lot of time below 930 low. We had more upside, and it was like a Thursday reversal. So that helps the win rate a bit. Because if you're just using it by itself, it is only like it's like the way that I backtested it, just purely mechanical, literally no bias or anything. It was still profitable, but like it can be a lot more profitable, right? It was profitable with a 33% win rate and a 4R because I was just risking 1 to make 4 every time and not really like deviating or putting stops or anything. So I have a whole video on it. It broke above the 10 a.m. high, 6 to 10 a.m. range. We wait for like it to take out a candle low with an opposing close. So here. And then we waited for a 5-minute body to close above previous candle high. And you have to it's a trend day. So it is like a breakout trade. You have to buy once it hits this candle high, which is where I did. Right, and there was the good point. Another good indicator here is actually that I didn't really spend any time in drawdown, so it's likely to continue, right? NQ is now starting to look a lot better. So, okay, we're gonna choose the winners now. Is MFFT strictly rhythmic? No, they have Trade Evade. I use Trade Evade actually. They have Trade Evade, Trading View, etc. Okay, we're gonna start picking the winners. Just give me one moment. Gonna make a new sheet so that I delete the emails and I won't put it up. Okay. Where'd it go? Can you see it? Okay. So, first thing what we're going to do, give away 3 expert accounts. Okay? My 350K expert accounts, that's what I mean. Okay. So what's the first one? Vlad is number 2. Last one. Hugh, 1517. Generate 569. Okay, so the winner of the first 50K is, the 50K expert is Bassem the Crow. Congrats. Okay, 5 more to give away. Generate 852. Cindy. Well, congrats, Cindy. Wavelength ohm. Oh, someone likes physics or electrical engineering. I don't know why it chose that color. 50K expert. Congrats. Okay, next one. Right, 852. I need to make sure I did that right. Okay, cool. The last 50K expert account goes to lucky number 589. Hugh. Congrats, Hugh. 589. Nice. Okay, we got 3 more to give away. Got the 100K. Expert account goes to lucky number 1287. Tom. Congrats, Trader Tom 4990. 100K expert. One more. Right? Make sure. One more 100K expert to give away. Yep. Lucky number 917. Congrats to David R 4540. And 244 will win the 150K expert account. Lucky number 244. Elias, Flam to Boom. Congrats to the winners. I will be emailing you after I just verify that you're a subscriber and that you made your account with them. Or actually, I'm going to give your emails to the team over there. So, congrats to the winners. Thanks everyone for coming. Could have done better today, as always. But it's just definitely am adjusting to having a larger crowd. That comes with the territory. So, you know, you live and you learn. We're going to have fun this year. We're going to be growing a lot, and I'm excited. Congrats to the people. Good luck and don't blow the accounts, people said. Yes. Congrats to the people who won. And if you want to buy an expert account, there is a flash sale going on, 20% off. If you use a code Tanya20, if you guys are interested in that. Tanya, I'm at 52,300 equity. I'm able to get, oh, I don't know, Elite Trader funded. Congrats, everybody. Ooh, the crow. Somebody in the chat is saying who won. I love how it says so. Someone that says so rigged, and I legit pick out a random number generator in front of everybody. Let me know how that's rigged. No matter what I do, it'll be someone complaining. So, congrats. And we'll see how the session ends, I guess. Yeah, congrats everybody. And even if you didn't win, you learned something today. That's true. We have this huge move up here. Huge hourly move up past this. This is where sort of like Tanya got stopped out on NQ. Well, it went stronger. And then I finally adjusted. So that was at least smart of me. But where's the list of winners? I just did them. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. Be careful not to chase. And yeah, we'll see you guys Monday. All-time highs again.